Hey, how's it going?
Yes, hello. It's, me, your plumber.
Alright, come on in.
Well, thanks for coming on such short notice. The sink hasn't been draining all day. We just moved in. Everything all right? Okay. Well, the bathroom's just right over here. Yeah, so it's this sink right here.
Ah, yeah, right. Well, if you need anything, I'll just be in the living room, okay? Thanks again, man.
Okay.
We are following some breaking news. The man recently seen on camera committing a hit and run in a go-kart has been identified as Mario. There is no other information on him at this time. Witnesses have put together this sketch of the man. Yes, it's lunchtime.
Oh, sorry, I was just checking on things in here. Right, sorry about that.
This just in, the accused Mario has now been linked to several other crimes in the metropolitan area, including breaking and entering, battery, assault with a deadly weapon, and arson. The police are asking local residents for any information regarding the whereabouts of the assailant. He is considered to be armed and dangerous.
Is that necessary?
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you plumber? I thought I was plumber.
Well, no, but I heard that loud banging and I just wanted to know.
You keep coming in here and bothering me. We're gonna have a problem.
Whoa, hey man, look, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Are you Mario?
Mario? No. Who is that? Like, from the video game?
Yeah, I guess that does sound kind of silly, doesn't it?
You are Mario!
Not your turtle.